Alright, so we're playing musical cars right now. We just finished the radiator in my truck over there that we talked about in the last episode. We have our Escalade that needs brake lines, but that's all the mechanical work that we have right now. So that opens up going ahead and at some point starting the engine and trans pull on this car. So with that said, we pulled the truck out, and once I park this car in front of the garage, it's going to be doom, because it will no longer run until it runs in the Fiero, which will probably be like years from now. So we're going to go ahead and give this car one last ride before it meets its end. So let's do it. I'm trying to watch the temperature, the coolant temp, and it keeps just saying headlamp suggested. Like, fuck off. That make you go away? But now I can't see anything. Oh, there it is. Okay, there. Obviously don't want it to overheat. Going over it a little bit.
Whoa! Whoa!
And this seat doesn't move. My power seat is broken. It doesn't do nothing, so I'm like stuck in full gangster position here.
Holy moly! It sounds like your horn is going off.
It's definitely not the fastest. Oh shit.
Oh.
There's a red oil lamp. And we lost power steering.
Oh no.
Oh no, it shut off. That's what happened.
Red oil lamp is bad.
Oh, we might be out of gas.
Oh great.
Said it was low.
Let's just get home. Shortest ride ever.
176. We're almost up to temp. Yeah, we're probably out of gas. It's been saying low fuel level since I picked it up.
Yeah, that's true. Holy moly. Holy moly.
Yeah, see, now the oil lamp is not there. I was
That's
like,
good.
what happened?
Whoa! You almost dropped your phone. Ah! Holy cow.
Probably good a spot as any. I know the thing is low. It doesn't give us oil pressure. That's lame. Oh well. It actually has a working air compressor. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just hoping I blew the shocks out when I went over that tip over there.
Why?
Because that's pretty funny.
Oh. Okay.
I love cars I don't care about.
Oh boy.
It's leaking like a sieve. Oh look, I have my little light up here. I can't do anything with. Blown head gasket for sure. Oh yeah, it's drippy now. We have coolant for oil. That's spicy right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, you're trying to fool them to think you don't care about this car, but secretly you wish you could have it.
I do wish I could have it, but oh well. It's gonna die right here by me.